Okay, I can't think of anything else to put on here. I thought and I thought and I thought and I thought, and so it is done. So the next step is to get your matte Mod Podge. And I turned it so you can see it and cover it. Since we glue this on, we want it to stay on. So we need to put Mod Podge on the painting. Cover the whole thing. Try to make sure it's a even layer. And this will seal everything together, and whatever is not sealed, this is how you'll know what doesn't stick. That way your rub-ons won't come off. Everything will stay on. This will act as a sealant. Now don't forget to sign your painting. You turn it around and sign it and write a note to whoever it's for. Sorry. Once it dries, I'll take a picture of it and put it before this video. Hope you like it. I made this for my son, so I tried not to have it too girly. Hopefully it's not. The next one I'm going to make is of a princess, because my daughter wanted a very pink girly princess one. So that's what she's gonna get. Till next time, keep painting.